If you want to make your keyboard typing clicks louder, make sure to watch the video till very end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, whenever you type on your keyboard, you hear a sound and you also feel a haptic feedback. And if you are not able to get it, make sure to watch the video till end. So let's get started. So guys, first thing you'll have to make sure is that your phone must not be on silent mode. Make sure that if you have an older iPhone, make sure that silent button is turned off, means your phone is not on silent. And if you have latest iPhone like iPhone 13, 14, 15, 16, you'll be able to find an option of silent mode in the settings like this by searching it. Okay. The second thing you'll have to do is to go to the settings and then tap on sound and haptics. Now scroll down a bit and you'll have to tap on keyboard feedback, and by default both of these options will be turned off, and you'll have to make sure that these options are turned on. After that you'll have to tap on back, and then you can also turn system haptics on, and let's go back. And now the last thing you'll have to make sure is to swipe down from the top right corner and make sure that this sound bar is full at the maximum, and you can also increase the volume by volume button and make sure that it must be at the maximum volume. Now you'll be able to feel all the clicking sounds and haptic feedbacks on your phone. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.